Hi, Rob Shreve, Coastal Shores Landscaping, and today I'm at the Chronomus residence in Palmetto Bluff. I founded Coastal Shores back in 2002, my wife and I. We've been serving the Low Country for, I guess, almost 18 years now. We work in all the higher end communities in our area. In addition to that, we provide landscape maintenance service for developments, commercial properties, and high-end residential. Today at this project, this will be a new installation, and it is tracking towards probably be doing the new install around the first of the year, which is a great time to install landscape in this area because it's a little cooler temperatures. Plants and trees and sod can get established prior to when we really start to warm up in the spring and summer. So that's a great time of year to be installing landscape. A couple unique features at the Chronomus residence in Palmetto Bluff. The first one is the courtyard here. This courtyard is the central feature of the entire project. So what that means from a landscaping standpoint is we want the views from inside the house looking out to be just as spectacular as the views from outside looking in. A lot of times when we do landscaping, it's all about curb appeal, what's it look like when we drive up the driveway, and certainly this house is going to have plenty of that. But unique to this property is we want to be sure when they're sitting here in the family room and they're looking out these unbelievably awesome windows into their courtyard that it's going to look fantastic. So we are being very intentional about where we place palm trees, where we're putting bigger plants, smaller plants, and just kind of what every view from every angle, every window, what that's going to look like. The other unique thing to this property is honestly just how minimal the landscape is. And the reason that is because we are surrounded by Palmetto Bluff's natural beauty. So we're just going to basically kind of add to that a little bit, enhance it, just kind of clean up the disturbed areas from construction. But other than that, we're just going to allow the natural beauty to be incorporated into the architecture of this beautiful home and just, not take away from what's already here, just try to complement it.